Hey, what's up YouTube? I hope you all be doing great, and if not then you must after watching this video, because in today's video we'll be going to unboxing and reviewing the brand new T500 Plus, which is actually a Apple Watch Series 6 replica. So I just got this package today from a Pakistani site, Daraz.pk. This package is actually shipped from China and the price is almost, well, for me I got it for $13 almost, but you can get it in your country for around $10 to $15. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this package's unboxing. Alright guys, so this is my package from China. Let's get this open with my unboxing knife. So inside this package we can see a white styrofoam packaging, so that's good for the shipping purpose. Let's just pull out this box. Okay, so the box is very simple from the front. On the top we have a QR code. I don't know what's that for. Below that we have the watch dial and the silver color mentioned, as I ordered in silver color, and the watch model. Nothing's on the side. So here we go. I ordered this in silver color, and with that we get these white straps, so it actually suits the silver color. These straps are a very average quality. The first impressions of this watch are pretty average. I won't say that it's the best. The watch is lightweight and this crown is really like loose. It should be tight. And again we have a working button. Let's pull the sticker up and see the screen ratio. Okay, the screen quality looks good. I don't think it would get scratches. The watch is totally dead, so let's pull out its charging dock. Here is its charging dock, again very average in quality. So this watch personally didn't impress me as much as the other Apple Watch clones, but it's something good value for like $10. Let's turn this on and check if it's have some charge or not. Let me connect it. I think it would take some time to get charged, so let's wait for it and we'll continue when it's fully charged. Okay, so I think it got some charge just to turn on, but we will wait for it to get completely charged. So the watch is, as you can see, fully charged. So now it's the time to remove it from the dock and put its straps on and explore its features. So let me just grab its straps. It goes this way in, and you just have to slide in. It may be a little bit hard, but you have to push it and it will go in, just like we have in the Apple Watch. Now we'll put the second strap on and then it would be ready for use. So the band's orientation can depend upon the hand you are wearing in. I personally use it on my left hand, so it's now ready to use. Okay, so first of all, the screen, as you can see in clear daylight, the screen is not very much visible, but it's just average. First of all, we will scan the QR code on our mobile phone's camera so that we can download its app and connect it to our mobile phone. So here is the download link. I would click on this and enter my mobile passcode 1212. Okay, so this is the website where we get the download link. I will click on iOS download and it would take us to the App Store and download this Fit Pro application. Okay, now we go to the Fit Pro application and launch it and allow it to connect through Bluetooth. Okay, now it's asking us to allow health notifications, and we would allow that. And now we have the option to log in, or we can sign in with Apple ID, or you can, maybe if you're using an Android, you can sign in with your Google account, but right now we can skip this and continue. To connect to your phone, go to the settings tab, and here you would see this option. Click on this, and this over here is our watch. So just click on the T500, which is the watch model. It will automatically connect to the watch. So now as you can see, we have the pairing option. Just click on pair and agree with this prompt by tapping on OK. So on the settings page, we have a lot of options like raise to wake. We would turn that on, and after that, if we raise our wrist, the watch will automatically turn on. And we have the notifications options. You would turn that off, and after that we have the option to set alarms. And if we move down, we have the remote shutter application. So this basically turns the watch into a remote shutter. As you can see, if we tap on start there, it would click a photo in 3 to 1 seconds. Here you go. So that's how you can use it as a remote shutter. And after that, if we go down, we have the dial settings. So here we get a lots of options for the wallpapers. Actually, we can select a custom wallpaper, and that would be the watch face of this T500 smartwatch. So as you can see, these are all the watch faces. We have the digital watch faces as well as the needle watch faces. So personally, I like digital watch faces, so we can select any one of these amazing watch faces and sync it with the okay. So let's synchronize, and then we will get updated on the watch with the new wallpaper. This might take a few seconds, but you have to wait for it. Okay, so now we are almost done. As you can see, the T500 Plus smartwatch offers a very modern and elegant design that is somewhat similar to the Apple Watch Series 6. So on the side we have two speaker grills, on the back we have a glass with some sensors and a 2-pin charging point. On the front we have a 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass, and on this side we have a crown and a power button below that. So the screen on this watch is a large 1.75 inches IPS screen and a 2.5D curved screen to display better contents and details. If we have talk about the finishing of the display, it's also very nice, clean and edgy. I already mentioned that the display isn't bright for clear day sunlight, but it's good. If we talk about the watch faces, T500 Plus has 8 different pre-installed watch faces, and you can switch between them easily by swiping from the right on the home screen or via M2 Wear app, with customization capabilities for a variety of colors, retro, analog, 3D and digital watch faces. If we talk about the water resistance, the watch is not officially waterproof or water resistant, which means that you cannot use it while taking shower or while washing hands. So it is obvious, because for this price range we cannot get a water resistant smartwatch. Under the hood, T500 Plus smartwatch adopts the built-in MTK2D chip for faster response speed and faster data processing, and it is powered by 32 MB of ROM, so that the watch can be equipped with more watch faces. Alongside the heart rate sensor and the blood pressure sensor, we have sports modes such as tennis mode, volleyball mode and sit-ups mode. I think this is just tracking the time of our workout. So these are some of the main features, and let's move towards the sensor that we get on this watch. So if we go to the health app, we can see we have our blood pressure, our blood oxygen level and a M.M.H scale. So let's wait for its response so that it calculates our health. Alright guys, so I have 87 beats per minute, 95% blood to body oxygen and 124/79 blood pressure. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you guys have any comments related to this product, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.